We just got a letter. We just got a letter. We just got a letter. Wonder who it's from. What is up? What's going on, guys? Here we are, another week, another video. But today, didn't go anywhere, staying in the house, because let me just tell you, man, it's hot, okay? There's no other way to say it. It's hot. So, today, I'm going to be sharing with you my newest addition to my collection of my shoes, in which I do have I would say a nice size collection that I'm steady growing. I am a sneakerhead. At this point, it's a problem. It's a problem. I really need to fix like my shoe area in my closet. If anybody has any good recommendations off of maybe Amazon or something to get some good like little cubicles, man, drop a comment down in the comments below and link it. Let me know. Yeah, because I definitely, y'all, I gotta fix that for sure. But man, let's get into this unboxing. So here lately, man, the 4s have become one of my favorite Jordans. They're comfortable, man. They go nice with just about anything. I mean, look at it, bro. Look at it. This is a great shoe. Now, my favorite shoe of all time is the Jordan 13, the Flint, the blue Flint. Can't beat that shoe, man. Let me tell you, as far as looks goes, this is a close second. Not gonna lie to you. I just got them today, so I haven't worn them yet. But just the look at this. Look at this. Just the material, man, is quality, you know. Got something down there. But yeah, I got the lightnings, and for those of you that get the lightnings, man, I would definitely say get them a size up, a half a size up, because they do run kind of small. But these, nah, man, these seem like they're gonna be comfortable. I have the metallic purples, and those are the most comfortable 4s I have. This seems like the material that they made this out of on the inside. Let me see if I can get it to focus. Seems like it's gonna be along those lines. Not the exact same, but definitely, I know y'all probably can't see that good, but definitely as comfortable. My non-sneakerheads out there probably just like, it's just a shoe. It's more than just a shoe, bro. These are it, man. I can't wait to wear them. Let's get the other one out. It's just, I don't know, man. This shoe to me should be a classic. The colorway on this one, this is the Jordan 4 Midnight Navy. The colorway on this one is similar to the Jordan 13 Flint that I like. Different blues though. But dude, I just don't see how you could get any better with this colorway. I really, really don't. And again, the materials that they used on them are dope. So what I was thinking about doing is maybe I was thinking about doing a top 5 out of my collection for 2023 of what I have so far. I think there would be some, I don't want to say upsets, but I think that there would be some ones on there that if you know me, you know that would probably be shocking. I've had some that moved into my top 5 that I didn't expect to move into my top 5, man, but I always go for comfort, especially considering where I work. I'm on my feet a lot, so I want to be able to be comfortable in what I'm wearing. But let me tell you, man, these boys right here, it's over, man. It is over. As soon as I put them on, it's gonna be checkmate. Like, I don't know. I don't know if these are so nice, bro. I mean, no special box or anything, but I mean, still still, I feel like still a nice drop. They drop sometime this year. I'm getting them late, but you know, better late than never. Like I said, just a regular Forest box, but still dope, man. But yeah, man, that's pretty much all I wanted to check in with y'all about today. I know next week I'm probably gonna be going to like the H Mart and finally trying Shake Shack because I've been talking about Shake Shack, Shake Shack, Shake Shack, and then your girl got a birthday tomorrow. So I don't know. I told him I wanted it to be a surprise, so I have no idea what's what's gonna be going down tomorrow. But yeah, man. If y'all want to see more shoes, more store vlogging, man, just again in the comments below, just let me know what what do y'all like seeing. You know what I'm saying? Because at the end of the day, I want y'all to enjoy this and you know keep coming back, which brings me to make sure that you like, subscribe, and ring my bell. All right, y'all have a good one.